So what are we doing today?
Today we're bagging the Supra.
Dun, 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 dun. Day 2 of bagging the Supra. So what did we do on day 1?
On day 1 we put the pipes into the front of the Supra.
So what are we doing now?
We're running lines for the rear.
See if you can pull it through. There's a long nose.
Success.
We realize now why no one really bags this car in SA. The front is double valves. That's what took us so long yesterday.
The whole evening.
Yeah, we managed to run the pipe in front. Now we need to run the passenger side. We ran the back. It's done. So we just need to run stuff. But yeah. So struts will be arriving next week. Well, hopefully by Wednesday, latest Friday. So we'll have everything to just put it on.
Yeah, so we're prepping and today we're doing the rear.
So we did the rear lines. We need to mock up the board so that we can mount the tank block, all the necessary stuff. And yeah, then we're good to go. So we can just put the struts in, even if we get it on Friday, and then yeah, we'll be done.
And then we're ready for gas.
So what are we doing now?
We're prepping the block. We're going to put the fittings into the block. Okay, so we have some sealant here. We're going to put a little bit here like that. And there. And then we need to make sure not to cross-thread it. So we're gonna go in that way. It's not gonna go all the way in.
So the struts finally arrived from East London. ES Tech, some custom struts because you can't get off the shelf struts in this car.
It's wrapped well.
Yeah, overnight delivery packaging is free. Once you open that one, you will have So you're happy with your struts?
Yes, I'm happy with my struts and I'm happy with the time it came in.
Yeah, Mr. Aldo is a correct Okay, go cut. I can see his hand holding the torch. No, it's there. And you got Kriya cooking in the background. What are we doing now?
Now we're drilling the board.
all the shows. The guys
No,
in the show.
bro, when one hard leg and just place it.
Yeah.
This one out the window.
What? Right, first air out. Tuckers. Yeah. Oh no no. Park is looking sick. Yeah, sir.
I'm so excited.
Show me the back, show me the back, show me the back.
I'll show you right now. Right. First Mk4 on air that we know in Africa. Gave us a lot of stress. What is doing?
Yeah, it's just honestly that is real going to be too big, but it actually fits perfect.
Yeah, we just need to sort out the drive out and good to go.
Okay, see ya now, yeah.
But I've seen these TikToks.
Also from the inside, not
That's green and red. These spots. Why am I seeing these ones?
yeah.
When I move my eyes,
Had to change
yeah,
it.
did you also see that? Oh, the what fell? The ball, the ball. The whole setup.
Okay, so DJ said sometimes it's so clear all the things and see. Today we're bagging the
So what are we doing today?
Today we're bagging the Supra.